community. My name is Louis Tullo, and I'm the Director of Educational Technology at the Athenian School in Danville, California. Today I'm going to share a little bit about Google Assignments. Last year, Google introduced a tool for schools to leverage many of the features that are built into Google Classroom within third-party learning management systems, like Canvas, for example. Once an administrator for your school sets up the LTI tool for Google Assignments within your school's LMS, faculty can create assignment templates within Google, generate individual copies of that template for each student, grade assignments within Google, and have those grades sync back to your LMS. In this demonstration, I'll walk through the process of creating an assignment, show what a student will see when they navigate to that assignment, demonstrate the grading tool for faculty members, and show how that data is synced back to your LMS. The LMS we use at Athenian is Canvas. First, a teacher creates an assignment and sets all the appropriate details, including a name, a due date, and a point value. Next, to utilize Google Assignments, they would change the submission type to External Tool. They'd press Find and select the option to use Google Assignments from the list that appears. Depending on when this was set up, it might be called Google Course Kit, since that was the name that was used while the product was still in beta. After selecting Google Assignments, you'll be prompted to sign in with your school G Suite account. Once you've signed in, you'll need to set the total point value and due date within Google Assignments to match what you've entered in your LMS, and attach the assignment template or templates you'd like to use from your Google Drive. There's also an option to enable originality reports, which students can run prior to submitting work. Then you can press Create. Following these steps, it's important to press Select in the External Tool window and ensure a URL appears in the box under External Tool URL. After the assignment is saved and published, there will be a dashboard for you to manage submissions. You can also navigate to the Google Assignments portal to create a rubric, reuse a rubric, or import one from Google Sheets. Reusing rubrics originally wasn't a capability when Assignments was released, so you can see how Google is continuing to develop this product. When a student logs into your LMS and navigates to the assignment, they can click the file and start filling in the document that was created for them through the LTI tool. Once they're finished, they would choose the option to open an assignment and can check originality as well as submit their work. After a student has submitted their assignment, teachers can log back into their LMS, go to the assignment manager, and review the student's work. As with any Google file, you can highlight portions of their submissions and add comments that are visible to students. In addition, in the grading section, there are fields for entering an overall score as well as grading portions of a rubric that you've created. and providing overall feedback on the student submission. There is even an area to pull comments from a bank you've created in previous submissions. The last step is to return the assignment to your student. After this is done, the grading information entered is synced to your LMS gradebook. Also, with this LTI integration, student submissions and assignment templates are automatically saved to your Google Drive account in a folder that is arranged by course and assignment. You can always go back to review submissions there, in addition to accessing them through your LMS. I hope this demonstration was helpful and gets you thinking about the ways you can leverage this in your own school. Cheers!